We are with Catherine Couture at the Mardi Cycliste. Congratulations, Catherine, on your second place finish here this evening. It must be tough without a team.
Yeah, it's a lot different. You get to learn different tactics, and you get to read the peloton a lot differently when you're racing all by yourself instead of racing for other teammates. Yep.
Okay. And next year you're hoping to be with a team again?
I'd really like to. I'll see what's available, what are the opportunities, and I think my experience as an independent rider this year will help me a lot for next year and racing in the peloton, doing crits, and yeah.
Okay, and I believe you're going to Pennsylvania soon?
Yes.
Tell us about that.
Yes, I'm heading to Tractor Town tomorrow. I'm racing on Friday nights. They have a World Series every Friday night over there. They're like cyclists from everywhere in the world racing every Friday, and it'll give me a lot of experience on the track to prepare myself for nationals in September on the track.
We were talking track nationals.
Yeah, track nationals.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Wish you the best with that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care.